Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June the 21st, 2022. We're going to talk about Chargepoint today and look at the chart and see if a buy signal was flashed. Yes, welcome everyone to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I come through and show you all it doesn't have to be complicated to figure out prices and where it's going to go. So let me show you all this today with Chargepoint. I got a plethora of other videos of other different stocks that I've covered, that I've done price prediction for, that you all can go back and see and certify that it is possible. Check this out. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to my channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because this is not hard. This is not difficult. This is something that is relatively easy. That is the whole purpose of having price charts, is to make it simple and try to determine where markets is headed. I mean, you guys can see already right here in front of the screen, I did a price prediction in Chargepoint, and I was playing the strength in the market, right? I was telling you all on May 31st, okay, that I was looking for the price in Chargepoint to go up, right here. This is where the market was when I did my price prediction, and I was playing the strength in the market in Chargepoint. Now check this out. Like, let's keep it real. I told you all where you may wanted to take the ultimate price target, like where you wanted to take your profitability. I gave you the ultimate area, and it was around $16. Now, is it just a coincidence that this is how high the price went? Look at this. June 8th, June 9th, the market in Chargepoint went up to $16, and since then price fell. See, not only do you know when to get in, you also need to know when you're going to leave. Now, I told you all at the pristine area as to where you might want to take the profitability in Chargepoint before the market fall. And it did, right there where I told you. That's 18% right there. Okay, let me cut that out. Good job to those who also felt the same way, who also predicted the same thing. Don't make people think that this is a very complicated game. Don't allow people to tell you that you can't win. Don't let people tell you that this game is manipulated and that it's impossible for you to time the bottom and possible for you to time the top. Don't let these people tell you that. So let's talk though, because we want to see if the market in Chargepoint has given us a buy signal, right? And you can do that by just looking at the chart. All right. Now you guys can see that the market in Chargepoint has been traded within this descending triangle, which is drawn on my chart. Okay, we're just using this as a placeholder. We want to try to compact where all of the price activity has been happening, right? And it's been happening within this descending line. So yes, we are in a downtrend in Chargepoint. Like, let's keep it real. The market is trending down at Chargepoint. But what about a buy signal in the midst of prices going down? Can we still see opportunities of price going up? Of course we can. I just shown you that on my last video. Now the question now is, if we're looking for a buy signal, how high are we going to look for the price to go? Well, obviously that answer is going to take us to this descending line. We're not going to be no more bullish than that, because this market has confirmed that it is not willing to break this line yet. We really won't become massively bullish until price breaks this line. Until such time, we can only look for price to go up to this particular level, which is around $16, like I did the last time. Now let's look at this though. Let's look at this on the weekly chart, okay? Because I also wanted to show you where the market buyers are at. You can tell where they're at, and they're here. This is where the buyers are at right now in Chargepoint. Yeah, they're here. Why do I say that? Well, because we have history to where price in Chargepoint did not go below, right here on this weekly chart, again on this weekly chart, okay? And now this weekly chart, price bar, and then this weekly price bar, the market and Chargepoint did not fall below that level, which is around $12. So that's where the buyers are at, okay? That's a buy signal, because price is telling us that they're not willing to take the price below $12. Look at Chargepoint on the 2 weeks. All right. So now, what do you think? Do you think buyers are coming in the last 2 weeks right here? Or do you think most of the trading was selling? Look at this on the 3 weeks. Like, we're seeing a battle going on. Like, we understand that the dynamics between these two opponents, the buyers and the sellers, that is a very daunting task. Like, somebody is buying on top of somebody selling. The market was a wash over the last 3 weeks of trading. It was a wash. But we got to give it to the buyers because on the previous 3 weekly price bar, the market ended it higher. So the buyers have an edge right now in the market in Chargepoint. That's another buy-in signal. They're still winning. So what I'm showing you all is that, one, buyers are supporting price at $12. Two, on a 3 weekly chart, even though the last 3 weeks was a wash between the buyers and the sellers, we got to give the edge to the buyers because of this 3 week price bar. So they're still winning in that aspect. These are all indications to show us that the market is here buying. Okay. Look at this on the 5 weeks. Now we got 3 days left, but again, the market sellers occurred on this 5 weekly price bar, April the 18th. But then on the current 5 weekly price bar, we're seeing the buyers show up now. Okay. At around $12 or 10. Let's look at this on the 3 months. So now, this is from a 3 month base. Now, I'm not massively bullish. I'm not massively bearish in Chargepoint yet. I'm just looking at the market right now from a 3 months perspective. And it really doesn't look enticing. It doesn't look as if the buyers are winning. It doesn't look as if the sellers are winning right now. So let's look at this on the 6 month. Okay, this is the 6 month chart. Like, again, it doesn't look too invigorating that which side is winning. You can't really tell if the buyers or the sellers are winning here. All right, cool. Look at this on the 3 day. Okay. We're in an uptrend. Like, let's pay attention and see what the market is really doing in Chargepoint. It's in an uptrend. Again, another buy signal. Another buying signal being flashed. You guys can see it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and play the strength again in the market in Chargepoint. Now, I'm not going to be massively bullish though. I've already told you, if we're going to play the move higher in Chargepoint, no higher than this descending line, if anything, right? But we got another area that we may not even see price break above, and it's right there around 15. That's only what, 7% move. Be prepared for the market in Chargepoint to get rejected at 15. We got rejected at 16 last time, right? We got rejected there. So on the next leg higher, don't be surprised if the market only reaches 15. That might not even be worth putting on a price prediction. Let's see. Okay, so for the market to go to 15, that's only like 6.5%. Like, is that worth it to go to $15? And it might even happen today. You might even have a very short time to actually participate in the market in Chargepoint moving up higher. Okay, but that's going to be my first price target. Okay, right there around $15 first. My second one is going to be a little bit lower than 16, around 15.50, and that's what, 10.98%. That's about it. Like, let's not get overly excited because we are looking for price to go up, because we can tell that the buying signals is being signaled all over the place, but it doesn't mean that the market's going to go to the moon. Let's keep it real. So this is what I'm looking forward to in Chargepoint. I do think that the market is trying to go up. We're going to pay attention to see how high it goes. $15 first, $15.50 second. It might hit 16. It might even get rejected on this downtrend line here. So keep that in line. Keep that in mind too. All right. But now this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm expecting. Now it's your turn. I want you all to tell me, what is your expectations in the market at Chargepoint? Are we going to go up, down, sideways? What? Let us know. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.